Hi families. Today I'm going to give you just a quick tutorial about SeeSaw and how to get into it and what it looks like. SeeSaw is a program that we'll be using school-wide, kindergarten through third grade across the district. It's a great way to share information, have kids upload things that they do, and just it's a really great tool for online learning and in-class learning. So it's something that your students will be using throughout, even when hopefully everyone's back in school. So this is SeeSaw. This is what the app looks like. I will be emailing you your own code. It's like down here. When you click on that, it will take you to directions. So you'll go click on the link here, and it walks you through what to do. You click you're a student, you'll type in this code, or if you're using it on an iPad, you can just scan this QR code and it will get you in to SeeSaw. Now I have already logged in. This is the teacher view, so yours will look slightly different, but this can just give you an overview of what it is. Over here will be your student's journal. The journal is just kind of where everything important is. When we have Zoom meetings, I will be putting your child's Zoom link in here so they can just click on it and access it right through here. You can do this on a computer, on your school-issued iPad, or any other device that you have. It is web-based. Over here, if you click here, this is journal. This is kind of like home. This always brings you back to home. Activities, I can have activities listed in here that your child can do right through here. Your child can also put things on here. If they click this add button up here, it opens up and they can do all sorts of things in here. They can take photos of their work, they can create drawings, they can create videos, they can upload things that are already on their devices. I'll show you quick here. If I click drawing, it opens up and they can just kind of play around. Here's a pencil, a pen. You can come over here, change the colors. Here's a marker, a highlighter. They can use text right here and type in. All right, there's all different things. They can use this, take a picture of themselves. They can use this and record. If I had given them an assignment, like maybe listen to our read aloud today, and then go into SeeSaw and draw a picture about it, they could come here and do this, and then they're always going to hit this green check mark. That's the post button. SeeSaw is great because anything that is posted, only I see. There's only one place where it's open for everyone, and I'll get to that in a minute, and I have that set up more for parents. So again, this is just a thing that they can do with their assignments. I'm going to delete this one because we're not going to save it, and I'm going to click the X to get out. Here in the inbox, this is where we can message back and forth, another way other than email that we can get a hold of each other. The skills we won't really be doing anything with, but the blog. This is what I've set up for families to kind of communicate with each other. Now, I do have the blog password code protected, and I will share that with you later. But basically what I've set the blog up for is, let me see if I can get out of here. There we go. I'm calling it Parents Corner, and it's a way where if you have some questions about assignments, technology, anything like that, and you want to put it out to the whole group, you can do that. Anything that does go into the blog comes to me first, and I will okay it to be put on the blog, but it's a place where you can go and answer questions, maybe even talk about, my child's really struggling. What are some things that you other parents are doing to help keep your child on task? So that's something that I made just for the families as another way to kind of connect with each other. We will be using SeeSaw most days. I'm not sure exactly what it's all going to look like as of now because like everything else with this, we're learning as we go. But I do want you to all log into it, play around with it, and let me know if you have any questions. Thank you so much.